Next, I'm going to show you how to mix skin color with paint. So far we had skin tones that were gray, so now we're going to actually use color to mix the skin. Now we're going to mix skin color so that in your figures that you're doing, you'll have two people that will be painted. This one's a little lighter and this one's a little darker. So if you're lucky to have this color, burnt sienna, in your box of paints, you can mix water, you can mix a little bit of white with it to dull it down. If it appears a little bit too orange, you would add a complementary color, which would be blue. So very little, a tiny bit of blue, dulls it down so that it's not a bright screaming orange color. So that would be an okay skin color for the light. And you want it translucent, so you don't want it thick. Don't make a very thick, opaque skin color. You want it to be more translucent. And then for the dark, you could add a little bit more of that burnt sienna color, a little bit more of the blue. If you have a brown or even a little bit of black to make the shadow color. So this would be a good shadow color for this person's skin. If you don't have the burnt sienna, then you create it with blue and orange, which you've already worked with, blue and orange. We made an orange, a little bit of blue. You can see it's already turning brown, but it's a little bit on the red side. So a little bit more blue, some water, and that would make a nice dark skin tone, skin color. Okay, and you could add, if you wanted it lighter, you could add a little white to it. So you just need to experiment with what you can add. If it's going one way, then add a complement. You can always add water to it, a little bit more white. So this might be a good lighter skin color, and then this would be a darker skin color. Okay, so two of your people that you paint need to have skin color.